What's going on, you guys? Hold on. It's currently 5:30 in the morning. Everybody's asleep. Grand Rising, brother.
Good morning. Well, I didn't even sleep, bro. Me neither.
You wanna help me film my first YouTube video?
Yeah,
Fuck yeah.
you smoking, man?
Like weed or like
No, cigarette.
6? Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Alright, yeah. As you can tell, this is my first YouTube video. Let's see. How's this look? Nope. Alright. This shit might have fucking cut off whenever the phone fell. What's up? My name's Daniel. I'm 21. I live in Bangkok, Thailand. Currently, if you're unaware of the news, there was a 7.7 magnitude earthquake on today's Sunday, Friday, the 28th of whatever month this is, March. I don't know. Yeah, March 28th. It's now the 30th, and like I said, it is currently 5:30 in the morning. Now, I'm currently learning remote sales. I have sales experience in the past. I've closed over $2 million in on-site sales and low ticket offers. So that being like your typical Florida fucking vacation hotel, beach rental. I was the guy that sold you the bed. I'm currently on an offer right now, extending into what would be my third day today, as in like this evening. And I don't know if it was fucking scammy because you're selling supplements to old people, but yeah, who fucking knows? Cop.
You filming?
Yeah. I'm just gonna fucking throw everything on YouTube at first.
Fair enough.
Are those yours up there on that balcony?
No.
Second story.
No.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
That's beautiful. Thank you, brother. What are these?
I have no
No
idea.
brand?
I don't know. I think the Marlboro purple. Yeah, I don't know if it's like the modafinil or what, but
Mm-hmm.
you think so?
Mm-hmm.
Because I was laying there and
I didn't sleep either.
I just can't stop my mind from like just thinking.
Yeah.
And I just tried everything, like just sitting there, doing the fucking army method, you know, when you say like do not think, bro, it's just non-stop.
Yep.
You
It was the same way for me.
You think it's 'cause